Hey everyone, so I wanted to go over my February budget. January went out pretty well with all my goals. As you can see right here, I pretty much met every goal that I had with my January paychecks or the paychecks I used to fund January. The only thing rent was 1140 because I already had a little bit of money set aside for rent in from money left over in December, so I didn't have to pull in the entire 1175. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make a duplicate of this so that I can set out my goals for February. It's 2023. And then we're gonna go through, well, I have to delete all my actuals, make everything 0. I should have done this before, but it's okay. Okay, so my net income after all my deductions, I expect my first paycheck to be around 2200 and then my second paycheck to be around like 1947. I wanted to lower my contributions for the year, so instead of the 21% that I had going into my retirement, I lowered it down to 16% and then I regretted it and I moved it back up to 21%. Yeah, that's how it works. I just couldn't do it, you guys. I couldn't lower it. I'm like, I'll cut in other places to save for my vacations, etc., etc. So for February, I do expect rent to continue to be 1175. And then for SoCal Edison, so here's the thing. A lovely subscriber mentioned this, and I did get an email from SoCal Edison and gas, or maybe it's just gas, but they mentioned that the rates were going to be going up this year. And coupled with that, along with me actually using my heater when it's like freezing, it did go up. So I had um, enough reserve money from just leftover funds from that category to cover the increase. I think for December, my electric bill was maybe like $75. It's never been that much. Um, Last year, I would only use the heater when I had visitors come in and I just suck up, being cold. I'd put on sweaters and stuff. But this year I decided not to suffer. So yeah, that was $75. I think I'm gonna keep it at 50 though because I don't I don't see myself using it as much during the spring. Maybe a little of the air conditioning during summer. I'll keep it at 50 now. Let's see what that is. Gas I'm gonna keep at $25. I actually recently got an Instapot for Christmas, so I know with Instapots you use less gas, maybe more energy, but it's still more energy efficient. Internet's gonna be the same, renter's insurance is gonna be the same, cell phone the same. Moving, I'm gonna keep at 200, although I might change it to 100. Groceries is 250, although right now we're more than halfway through January and I've only spent $85 for the entire month in groceries. If I keep that up, my total might be like 160 for the month because there's still 2 more grocery trips that I have to do. I'll keep it at 250, but I might lower it back down to 200. And then eating out will stay the same at $50. I go out to eat maybe like once or twice a month, and usually that's when I go out to eat with other people. Gasoline, I'll keep at 100, insurance 100, registration, I think it's 32, and AAA is 12. Car maintenance, $100. I'm trying to save up to change the brakes next time I go in for an oil change, the front brakes for my car. And this weekend it was raining in Southern California. We never see rain, and I got a flat tire. But luckily, the people that changed my tires, I went in and they patched it up for free. I guess they have this thing where they patch things for free. I'm assuming it's to bring in customers, so in case it doesn't is not patchable. People will just change their tires there, but I thought I was gonna have to dip into my car maintenance, but nope, they changed it for free. I was very happy. And then Spotify, it's gonna continue to be $10. Netflix is usually $15.49, but I put it in as $15.50. YNAB, I'll keep it $1. So I have a little note here. YNAB, Costco, and Amazon Prime. Aiming for to cover those subscriptions, yearly subscriptions, with my cash back. I already got about $49 cash back this month in January, and I applied all of that towards my Amazon Prime membership. So hopefully I got it covered. And then I have another $180 coming in February from Costco, and that would completely cover my Costco yearly membership, plus some, which I put into Amazon Prime. So that's why I don't really have them listed here. Medical and dental, $100 is kind of a lot. I got back, I put in all my FSA claims. Dudes, they cover Band-Aids. They covered my wrist brace that I bought for like $30, and I bought for two, so it's like $60. They covered both of those. They covered my knee brace. Did they cover my ice packs? I don't know. But I'm gonna have about $300 placed into there this year. Medical and dental, this is more for like my really expensive vitamins that I buy. They're usually vegan, like vitamin D, omegas. Yeah, those cost a pretty penny. And then gifts and giving, $100 for gifts and giving. I have a couple birthdays in February. I might increase that a little bit, but let's see how it goes. So Christmas, $50 for Christmas. All right, okay. Actually, how much? Christmas. This is my yearly budget, by the way. Christmas. So I want to spend $600. I actually kind of want to spend $700. How much is 700? 720. So 60. I don't know about that. $60 for Christmas. That's a lot of money. Okay, I'll do 60. Oh wait, that was January. Let's go to February. I'll do 60 for Christmas as my goal. Family support will stay the same, $400. New phone will stay the same, $15. I look funny. New computer, $20. That's fine. Oh, I think it's like $18. I'll put 18 there. And then household, $50. That's good. Personal, $40. Electronics, $40. Clothing, $50. Passion planner, $4. Mexico, these are my travel funds, $100. Roth IRAs, $550. It's gonna be $270 plus $270 actually. So it's $540. Nice, very nice. I-bonds, $100. T-bills, $100. I think I don't think I'm gonna buy T-bills for this month. And I might just combine, I don't know. Yeah, I might leave T-bills. T-bills at 0. I don't know. So that leaves me with $233 left, which is great. So maybe I do have to buy okay, maybe I'll do that. I have $133 left. What to do with this money? I'm gonna add $50 to my gifts and giving because I have 2 birthdays, and for one of the birthdays I'm gonna buy tickets for an event, and that ticket has to be for me and the person because we're going together. So that leaves me with $83 left. The $83, I think I'm gonna put the rest towards my travel fund in Mexico. So about $180, we'll just leave the $3.85 there. And that's it for me. Hopefully we can fill up all the little progress bars like we did for January here. Isn't it like so satisfying to see all of them filled out? I haven't perfected this to the point where I want to share this spreadsheet. So, and I'm too lazy to perfect it right now. So usually I share my Google Sheets, but right now I'm too lazy. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching and sticking around for my February paycheck month. I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, and guess what? So I love these mason jars because they're wide mouth. So you could buy the caps that don't have the little straw hole here. So I store my keys, I store food in here. I love these. And then when I want to use it to drink a smoothie or some water, you can also buy these caps with this little, oh, my favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys later.